Alright, chat. Alright, shots. Tiki's live. Ooh. Alright. So there's gonna be no face cam today. It's gonna be a quick stream today as well. I'm just gonna see if they're giving me a setup for Alright, brethren. I'm feeling a little nostalgic. I'm feeling something. Yo, is my mic working? Yeah, everything. Man, fuck shit. I gotta be somewhere in like an hour though. But yeah. Give me a quick stream. Give me a quick stream. Go on. Oh shit. You go nigga. What a cool nigga. What a cool nigga. Nigga chica. Alright, chat. Alright, brothers. Now, let me see NASDAQ. Let's see how NASDAQ went through. Let me go back. Brethren. So it's all R. I'm looking for, okay, so the COT low didn't have a low. Now this now market, if it doesn't have a low, we're looking for the low to get souped. Then eventually we're looking for a legit low to get formed, to look at form, and looking for the right time to purge. Market did not purge at the right time, and we didn't have a legit low. Now we have a legit low. Now we have the right time to purge. Now is we're looking for the motor number one. Numero de uno. Numero, if it is to take profit, unfortunately we cannot take a trade because we no longer have a range to trade with. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna have a range. But yeah, let's get it, chat. Let's get this. Let's get it. Kinda big, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm trying to give Okay, looks like we're gonna have a setup right on news. So I want to see if I can get a setup right on news. That would be fantastic. That will be fantastic if I can get a setup right on. So what type of entry are we taking? Are we taking a wick, threshold, or position block? We're taking a threshold. Why? So we want to put my stop loss here. Simple, because market didn't do impulsive. The market didn't do impulsive move to the upside. So putting my stop loss here makes sense. And my entry right on the threshold. If the market taps it, now we're going for a 4RR. So why are we going for a 4RR? Keep in mind, threshold we go for a 4RR. Move 1 to sub we go for a 1 to 3, and a resistance block we go 1 to 4. So 1 to 4R, and he cannot hit us. He cannot hit a take profit before end, right? If it goes up here, he's our take profit. We're done for the day because already got met and we had no setup, and we must. Yeah, we must have a range trade here with. So we have a 4RR, 9.2 pip stop loss, 9.2 pip stop loss. Uno, dos, tres. 9.2 pip stop loss. All right. What is that? Let's see if we can get a setup here. I want to see it go close above this high, tap my entry, then we can long it up. 9.2 pip stop entry. Are we bearish? We are bullish. The reason we're bullish, I could tell you why we're bullish. The weekly doesn't matter. We have a big ass wick on the weekly candle. It needs to be filled in a fair. It needs to close in a fair price. And this candle with no wick, it needs to close. It needs to close in a strong candle, and that's how it's supposed to be. And as well, in the daytime, from daily IRL to ERL, we have a daily expansion daily range. We tap discount daily range high. We as well have a daily CRT to the upside. We have a classic expansion profile, one to the upside, Monday low of the week, and that's the reason why we're bullish. Bearish, we have daily ERL to IRL. Already got a mix, so now go from IRL back to ERL. We have a daily CRT, but with the constellation reversal bug, you can see the bull side makes more sense because we have a daily IRL to ERL, daily CRT to the upside, a classic expansion profile to the upside. We have a big wick that needs to be filled in a fair price, and we have a expansion daily range. Now for our time frame, we have a 4-hour. The reason why I'm not bearish is because a short-term drone liquidity constantly changes. A short-term constantly changes. It goes up, it goes down. It constantly changes. It does not stay the same. And if we go back over here on the 4-hour time frame, we have super low, super high, stable low, stable high, premium discount. We tap discount daily range high. We are in the discounts. We want to buy up. We as well have a 4-hour CRT. We're looking for a negative profile 1. On accumulation, 5A mid-position and expansion because the 17 o'clock made the high of the day, not the low of the day. So I'm looking for a negative reversal. We have a range low, range high, range low, daily CRT low, range high, daily CRT high, as well as we have a bullish order flow. And that's the reason why we're looking for longs. We're very stacked on buys here. We're very stacked on everything actually. But I'm looking for a Mamba 1, a tap of this, then looking to long it up to the draw on liquidity. The draw on liquidity. I don't think we're gonna have a setup here, but yeah, we're not gonna have a setup. So I want to see how this news comes out. I want to see the news come out bullish, but not to take profit, come back down, then eventually perform. Because you should be doing that. You should be doing something like that. My brethrens. I'm looking for a. I'm looking for something. Let's see if the market can give us a setup. A sleepy chat, I ain't gonna lie to you. Can we end the week with something, with nothing actually? Guess market doesn't want to favor us here. Just waiting for the scanner, bro. You got pips. All right, 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. All right, market wants to go lower. Let's see what they want to do here. Yeah, this is a weekly low, always all the way down here. I don't know if you want to close down there, buddy. We're good though, because we have no setup here. I want to see if there could be a setup potentially here. Yeah, news didn't do much here. News didn't do much, which is, ooh, didn't do much here. Yeah, this is what I was anticipating, not to do much, and it didn't do much because it's all week. Market been tripping, so the snooze is gonna have less volume in there. I want to see this close. I want to see this close bearish and this kind of close bullish and retap and go up high from there. We could take a news long. Yeah, so yeah, this one got butt plug, but nice, nice, nice. I thought S&T there, but I want to see it stay here. I mean, if I want to see if we can create some sort of a big wick because I want to take that long. Come on, come on, come on, put your radio on. It's Friday night. All right, calm down, bro. Come on, put your radio on. It's Friday night. Come on, put your radio on. It's Friday night. Let me down. Get it down. I'm looking for sete. I'm looking for a sete. I'm looking for Ah, ma lasciamo.
Oh, I need a thing. Right.
Oh, it's madness. Sì, wasci qualcuno. Godly.
Hey, so you know where it is.
Watch 1 second. 1 second, chat. 1 second. Let me All right, brothers, we're back. We are back. Oh my goodness, what's the more I get done? Huh? All right, chat. Yeah, the D retracement to what? We had a favorite I got right here. The level. We have got everything we wanted. So I'm looking for a number one, and I'm looking for a. So what's bigger, the threshold or the model one itself? So what's bigger, chat? The threshold or the model one? The threshold or the resistance block? I mean, the resistance block is bigger. So what you're gonna do is enter on the enter right over here. Stop loss 19 pip. You tweak it. What? Gotta press stop loss below something here because the stop loss is too wide. Bro, I don't think this should be the move here, bro, because it gets so big. All right, let's see what type of entry we're gonna get because I gotta put my stop loss there. I want to see if we can get an entry here though. I don't think we're gonna have an entry. Shoot. Shoot. Bro, it's clapped. Yeah. Bro, I don't think we're gonna have a setup here, bro. I don't even. Bro. Bro, my setup happens at 9 a.m. I'm cooked. No, don't do this. Don't do this. Do not give me a setup at 7 a.m. If I am in the morning. Burning. All right, chat. I think I'm gonna head out for the day because I don't think I'm gonna have a setup at all. I'm gonna have a setup the next hour, but I have to be somewhere the next hour and I can't take it, man. Oh, big chest. Yeah. Pause. I see you guys later, man. Hey, if you guys get a setup the next hour, the next hour is gonna be the Neo Reverse Profile 2. If you put out the low, and you're gonna see if there's a legit low there. If there is, all you gotta do is simply call T and say, yo, yeah, and you should be good. Now all you gotta do is look for the advanced entry and look for a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, or 1 to 5, depending on your entry criteria. depending on the entry positioning. But we're done for the day. I'll see you guys later. But there might be a setup later today. I don't think there's gonna be a setup at all, but there should definitely be a setup. Not definitely. I think it's guaranteed ever in the market. And I came to the day expecting nothing, and I got nothing. Beautiful. I expected to not take a trade every day, and this is what's happening.